Welcome to DashCraft. Our agent DashCraft is trying to deliver food to various houses using the path that will produce the highest reward possible. To do so, it must evaluate the different paths it can take and the reward it will receive from each path. Each house in the environment is assigned an alpha value as shown in the picture. The reward gained from visiting each house is calculated by multiplying this alpha value by the current step count, then negating this value. Therefore, in order to maximize its reward, the agent should visit houses with a lower alpha value last to produce a greater reward value. Here's our baseline performance. As you can see, our agent is choosing a different path every time since it hasn't learned the environment yet. This video shows our agent before training. It randomly chooses which house to visit as it tries to explore and learn. Our goal is for our agent to eventually converge to the optimal path as it completes more runs. We utilize Q-learning to train our agent. Q-learning is a reinforcement learning algorithm that attempts to find the best action to take given a current state. Our Q table, which is shown at the right, kept track of our states. It also kept track of the expected rewards that our agent would gain for every possible action it could take at each state. Here is our agent training while updating the Q table. As you can see, our Q table is only printed out every 5 iterations for the purpose of simplicity. Our Q table consisted of 7 states and 7 actions, corresponding to the 6 houses in the starting point. The rewards for our Q table were calculated using the Bellman equations, which will be explained next. The function shown represents the Bellman equations and was used to update our Q table. Delta of Q and A represents the reward we will gain given our current state and action. R is the immediate reward we gain from being in that state, or in our case, visiting a certain house. Gamma is the weight we want to give future rewards versus immediate rewards, which we made 0.8 for this project. This value is multiplied by the maximum value of future rewards and actions. After training our agent for several runs, it consistently chose the path that returned the highest reward. We were able to confirm this was the correct path by calculating it ourselves using our coded alpha values. Here we show just 3 of the many iterations of our agent choosing the optimal path. After much trial and error that resulted in us changing the parameters of our Q-learning many times, we were finally able to achieve results that we were satisfied with. The graph on the left shows our agent converging to the most optimal path and receiving the best reward, therefore proving we have reached our goal. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed our presentation.